Hi students, welcome to Study Zone. Let's learn together. So today in this video I will be discussing with you about physics notes chapter 1 force and pressure.
First question, what is force? Give examples of force. Answer, force is a push or pull that changes the speed, direction or shape of a body. It displaces or tends to displace a body from its position of rest. Examples, pushing a table, kicking a ball, opening a drawer. Second question, how do you find the resultant force or net force when two forces are applied on the body? Answer, case A. When two forces are applied on a body from the same direction, the resultant force acting on the body will be equal to the sum of the two forces and the direction of the two forces. Two forces, that is 20 Newton and 30 Newton, are acting on the object towards the same direction. So, the net force is the sum of the two forces, that is 20 Newton plus 30 Newton is equal to 50 Newton. So, the net force is 50 Newton. Case B. When two forces act on a body in two opposite directions, then the resultant force will be equal to the difference of the two forces, and the body will move in the direction along the direction of the greater force. Two forces, that is 20 Newton and 30 Newton, are acting on the objects towards the opposite direction, so the net force will be the difference of the two forces acting on the objects, that is 30 Newton minus 20 Newton is equal to 10 Newton, so the net force is 10 Newton. Two equal forces here. 20 Newton are acting on the objects towards the opposite direction. Since the forces are acting on the objects towards the opposite direction, the net force will be equal to the difference of the two forces. Here, 20 Newton minus 20 Newton is equal to 0. So, the net force is equal to 0. So, the object will not move towards any direction. Third question. Explain with suitable example for the effect of force on a body. A. Effect on motion. A force can change a stationary body to move and a moving body to stop. Example, kicking a ball, goalkeeper stopping a ball. B. Effect on direction. A force can change the direction of a moving body. Example, when a batsman hits a ball with a bat, the direction of the moving ball changes. C. Effect on speed. A force can change the speed of a moving body. Example, if a person pushes a moving swing, it will move faster, and if he pulls it in the opposite direction, it will slow down. D. Effect on shape and size. A force can change the shape and size of a body. Example, crushing a paper, molding a clay. Fourth question, what are the two different types of forces? Answer, contact force. Contact forces are forces which act only when objects are in physical contact with each other and bring about changes. Muscular forces and frictional forces are contact forces. Non-contact forces. Non-contact forces are forces which can act even when objects are not in physical contact with each other and bring about changes. They act through the space between them. Magnetic forces, gravitational forces, and electrostatic forces are non-contact forces. Fifth question. Explain different types of contact and non-contact forces. Answer. Some of the important contact forces are muscular force. The force resulting due to the action of muscles in our body is known as muscular force. Example, running, kicking. Frictional force. The force acting along the two surfaces in contact with opposes the motion of one body over the other is called frictional force. Example, a ball rolling along the ground gradually and finally comes to rest. Some of the important non-contact forces are gravitational force. The force in which two objects attracts each other is called gravitational force. Example, force between pen and book. Magnetic force. The force exerted by a magnet on another magnet or a magnetic material like an iron, steel, etc. is called a magnetic force. Example, a magnet can attract iron clips. Electrostatic force. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is called electrostatic force. Example, tiny pieces of paper get attracted by a charged scale or comb. Sixth question. Define force of gravity. Answer. The force exerted by the earth on any falling body or object is called force of gravity. Seventh question. What is the unit of force? Answer. The unit of force is Newton. Eighth question. What is pressure? What is its SI unit? Answer. Pressure is the force acting on the unit area of the object. If P is the pressure, F is the force and A is the area of contact, then P is equal to force divided by area. The standard unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, which is also called Pascal. Application of pressure. First question. Skiers use long, flat skiers to slide over snow. Answer. The larger the area of contact, the lesser is the pressure on the snow. This enables the skiers to slide over the snow without sinking into it. Second question. The cutting edge of knives, blades, axe, etc. are sharpened. Answer. As the cutting edge is sharpened, the area of contact decreases and hence pressure exerted by it increases. Thus, large pressure cuts objects easily. Third question. Heavy trucks are fitted with 6 to 8 wheels. So, these wheels are the area of contact on which the truck's weight acts and hence reduce their pressure on the ground. Fourth question. Foundations of high-rise buildings are kept wide. Answer. So that they exert less pressure on the ground and do not sink in due to the extremely high pressure of the building. The question. A school bag has wider strap made of thick cloth. Answer. So that the weight of the bag may fall over the large area of the shoulder of the child, producing less pressure on the shoulder, making it more comfortable to carry the heavy school bag. A wide steel belt is provided on the wheels of army tanks so that they exert less pressure on the ground and do not sink into it. Camels can walk easily on the desert as they have broad feet which exert less pressure on the sandy ground. Problems. First question. The solid body weighs 150 Newton when placed on an wooden surface. The area of contact is 3 meters square. Find the pressure exerted by the solid body on an wooden surface. P is equal to F by A. Force is equal to 150 Newton. Area is equal to 3 meters square. Is equal to 150 divided by 3 is equal to 50 Newton per meter square or 50 Pascal. Second question. Calculate the pressure if force of 200 Newton is exerted on the area of 10 meters square. F is equal to 200 Newton. A is equal to 10 meters square. P is equal to F by A is equal to 200 divided by 10 is equal to 20 Newton per meter square or 20 Pascal. Third question. Find the pressure exerted on a cube of side 16 cm when a force of 20 Newton is applied on it. Area is equal to 16 into 16 is equal to 256 cm square is equal to 256 by 100 into 100 is equal to 0.256 is equal to 0.0256 meter square. Is equal to F by A is equal to 20 divided by 0.0256 is equal to 2 lakh divided by 256 is equal to 781.25 is equal to 781.25 Newton per meter square or 781.25 Pascal. Fourth question. A solid body weighs 200 Newton when placed on an wooden plank. Area of contact is found to be 5 meters square. Find the pressure exerted by the solid body on the wooden plank. Force is equal to 200 Newton. Area is equal to 5 meters square. Pressure is equal to F by A is equal to 200 by 5 is equal to 40 Newton per meter square or 40 Pascal. Fifth question. A brick is 30 cm long, 10 cm wide and 10 cm thick. It weighs 24 Newton and is lying on the ground. Find the pressure exerted by the bricks on the ground. Area is equal to L into B is equal to 30 into 10 is equal to 300 centimeters square is equal to 300 by 100 into 100 is equal to 0.03 meters square. Pressure is equal to F by A is equal to 24 into 100 by 0.03 into 100 is equal to 2400 by 3 is equal to 800. Is equal to 800 Newton per meter square or 800 Pascal. What is atmospheric pressure? Answer. The layer of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. The pressure exerted by the air due to its weight is called its atmospheric pressure. Give reason. First question. the mountaineers suffer from nose bleeding. So, atmospheric pressure will be low at high altitudes. So, mountaineers suffer from nose bleeding. Second question. Explain why astronauts wear specially designed spacesuits. So, an astronaut wears a special spacesuit which maintains the normal atmospheric pressure for his body, since there is no atmosphere outside the Earth. Applications of atmospheric pressure. Drinking straw. Atmospheric pressure helps to drink juice from straw. When you suck air at the upper end of the straw with your mouth, the pressure of the air inside the straw is reduced. But the pressure acting on the surface of the fruit juice is equal to the atmospheric pressure. So, the greater atmospheric pressure acting on the surface of the fruit juice pushes the fruit juice up into the straw to your mouth. Syringe. When we dip a syringe in a liquid and pull its piston, the pressure inside the syringe gets reduced. The atmospheric pressure acting on the surface of the liquid is more compared to the air pressure in the syringe, and thus it pulls the liquid up into the syringe. The working of syringe is based on atmospheric pressure. Rubber suction pad. A rubber suction pad adheres to the wall due to the existence of atmospheric pressure. When the rubber suction pad is pressed against the smooth surface, air between the suction pad and the wall is forced out, reducing the pressure inside the suction pad. Outer atmospheric pressure being greater pushes the suction pad firmly and it sticks to the wall. Pressure exerted by liquid. The pressure exerted by water at the bottom of the container depends on the height of its column. More is the height, more is the pressure, and vice versa. Liquid exert equal pressure at the same depth. The pressure of the liquid increases with depth.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment and share on my video. Bye.